Hi and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back once again to Technology Information Channel. Today we are going to explain and discuss about the HUEI fuel system in a diesel engine. Before starting the video, I have small request to all newcomers. If you are first time on my channel, please make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification to getting more latest update videos first. So let's get started. The HUEI injection system and the diesel engine, how they works and what is the circuitry of this HUEI system and how to understand the basic of HUEI system. I roughly draw the diagram for understanding, but if you watch my full lecture, you are understanding all the basic about the HUEI system. Let's get start the lectures. HUEI stands for hydraulically unit somebody hydraulically actuated electronic injection system, or you can call hydraulically unit electronic injection system. Okay, this is the block diagram of HUI system. This is our injectors, this is our fuel tank, this is our ECM engine control module, and this is our oil, and this is our oil pressure regulator. First of all, this is our fuel tank which have diesel. This is the fuel outline, two injectors. This is our fuel transfer pump. When we crank the engine, this fuel pump take the diesel from the tank and send to the injector lines. This is our injector in lines. Fuel diesel in to the injector lines. Okay. After that, here is our oil and our engine chamber. This oil pressurized by this oil pump. This is our oil pump. This oil pump pressurized to 20 bar to 250 bar on injector. Fuel is already sent to the injector. Oil pump pressurize the engine oil to the injection system. This is the oil pressure regulator. That's sensing the oil of the injector oil pressure. That's sensing and sending command to the ACM. Now we have good amount of oil pressure and injector lines. This injectors operated by oil pressure, engine oil and electric ACM. The complete circuitry lets me explain. Oil is pressurized in the injector lines. Diesel is sent to the injector lines. Then This SEM is sensing through the camshaft and crankshaft sensor, which injectors and which piston on top dead center need to be fired now. Okay, the circuitry working on these types. Okay, injector operated by oil, pressure, and camshaft sensor. Figure out which piston is on top dead center. Then fire which injectors need to be fired. SEM sending pulse to the every injector for the operation. So let me explain once again. HUEI system have oil pump, SEM, injection, camshaft and crankshaft position sensor, and fuel transfer pump. When we cranking the engine, fuel transfer pump take fuel sent to the injection system. Then the oil pump generate a high amount of oil pressure for the injector for the operation for the injection system. Then camshaft and crankshaft position sensor figure out which piston on TDC. Then SEM send back pulse to the specific injector which needs now to fire up in a combustion chamber. This is the complete diagram of HUEI system, hydraulically actuated electronic injection system, or you can call hydraulic unit electronic injection system. Now, if this engine not starting cranking and not starting, like a Caterpillar 3126 model is HUEI system, most time problem of this fuel pressure regulator. If we not have operation oil pressure in an injection system, it's not sending a signal to the SEM. SEM not understanding to fire up the injection. Most of time this have a small solenoid inside in this oil pressure regulator. Sometimes it's going to stucker and sometimes it's going to dirty, and that's leave the working, and after that we are troubling with the engine crank but does not start. The fuel pressure regulator is very important for this system because HUEI system halfly operated by oil pressure. If we not have oil pressure in the injection system, that's mean our injector system not working, because this injector is operated by hydraulically pressure. This is the before pressurized condition. When SEM send the pulse to the injector, which injector on top the center, the inside the solenoid is energized, solenoids go up and fuel combust, vaporized in a combustion chamber. This is the complete system of HUEI. So I hope you understand. If you not understand, please write comment below to I give you a complete catalog about the HUEI system, complete book. Especially I make itself to taking from the data from the many others PDF and combined in a one PDF. If you want to learn about the HUA system and a brief explanation, then comment right below and write your email. I will send you the PDF. So thanks for watching my video. See you all next time. Take care and goodbye.